In this tutorial, we will show you how to access Adobe Spark so you can easily create visual content and tell engaging stories to your audience. You do not need to download a desktop version of the application. To access Spark, you simply go online to spark.adobe.com and click the Login with a School Account button. You will use your MyBama username at ua.edu email address, or if you're a student, your Crimson email address and MyBama password to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to your personal Spark landing page. In the center of this page, you will see the options to create content, such as social media posts, graphics, and presentations. You will also see a visual listing of your most recent Spark projects. Located on the left side menu, users can select to create new content, view past projects, set up a brand, or view template libraries for projects. The possibilities are endless for creating exciting material and professional graphics with Adobe Spark. Enjoy creating.